Okay. Oh, close. Nada. Last try for me. Oh. Oh. Okay, so we won the welcome aboard raffle for a free game of bingo. So we waited until the big bingo game, 5,000 cash prize. And we did the early pickup.
Choose an extra set of cards.
Mm-hmm.
We've never played the ring before, so we have no clue how it's going to go down.
I mean, we know how to play bingo, but...
Yeah. Yeah, this is just like a lottery ticket, basically.
Okay, so what is this?
It just says 3 in a row wins.
3 in a row what?
Like this. You get 3 coconuts, you win $5. You get 3 of those, yeah. So you could get up to that.
Oh, no, not a winner. Ooh. Aww.
Next.
Oh.
Hey, we're the tiki guys.
Not winners, apparently. You're looking for suns, palm trees, beach balls,
Like
lifesavers, and drinks. Sun. Oh, bum bum bum.
Like a band-aid, real fast.
Oh. Oh, close. Nada. Last try for me. Oh. Oh.
Leave it. Oh.
Ah. What?
No.
What you got? What you got?
No.
Nada. Oh, we already lost. Okay. No bonus winners here. Sorry.
Now I know what these things are that everyone always has.
Okay.
So they'll draw for blue and someone will eventually win out of one of their 9.
Okay.
Then they'll reset, and everybody gets to try again for the next prize.
Okay.
Yeah, and then they'll do the last prize
Okay.
on green.
So you get 3 tries, and then we also get a bonus?
Yeah, this is probably just an extra little game at the end or something. Or they say you can play this along with one of the ones or something. I don't know.
We'll find out. So we'll be back to play for real later.
We have our $5,000 jackpot bingo. My name is Hannah. Go by Hannah Bandana. Can I hear no? You know. All right, guys. So today I'm going to be giving away a lot of money. Look around. Look how many people we have. That means we're going to have a lot of money to give away. Guys, let's have a look at our bingo packages. What we have. Blue, orange, and green sheets, right? For those of you who played before, got those dollars, got those all-out fanatic packages, or got them early, you got those purple cards. You guys can be using those purple cards on game number 3 together with the green sheets. Alright guys, so let's have a look at our blue cards and blue cards only. That's where game number 1 will be. And traditionally, we're going to be looking for any line, any 5 in a row, guys. Can be vertical, can be horizontal line, can be a diagonal line, can be anywhere on your card. Free space does help you, so go ahead and start marking your free spaces. So here we go. When you guys have that bingo, I need you guys to yell it out loud and clear. I don't know, jump out of your seat, yell out bingo. If you have little kids, throw the kids up in the air. I don't know. Do anything, let us hear you, let us see you. All right, so you guys ready? Awesome. Shake your numbers, guys. Your first number is N38. N38. N38 was your first one. Who's already one step closer to bingo? Nice. Now remember, what do you say if you're 1 number away from bingo? Oh, that's right. If you cannot say no, say anything close to it. You can say, oh, I'll take it. Yeah, I know. Your next bingo ball is G55. G55. Oh.
Ooh.
I know. G55.
Like yellow, not yellow, but
B7. Oh. B7. Oh, more. All right. That was B7. B2 is your next number. B number 2. Oh. B2. B2. What number's B1? Okay. All right, so let's see what Karen's gonna call you. Your next one is B6. That was B6. All right, another card. Good. B6. I heard somebody asking for B6, and you need B3 now? Okay. Woo! There's a lot of pressure right there. And 33. So close. Oh, look at that. There's a lot of you guys. Y'all gonna win. Gonna walk away with like $1.03. All right. Okay, your next number after N33 on your blue cards is G48. Oh, another one, G48. Oh my goodness. Next one probably may be the last one. I don't know because there's a lot of happening. Your next number is 068. Okay, we got two loud bingo calls, so we're gonna go ahead and verify your cards.
Don't get distracted. Focus.
Oh, the third one. Hello. Let's see. Yep. All right, so anybody else? Nope. We're gonna go ahead and clap this game off, guys. Here we go. Bingo going once. Bingo going twice. Bingo going 3 times. Congratulations to all 4 of my bingo winners. The prize amount for this game was $300 that you guys were supposed to split, but I'm not okay with that. I'm gonna bump it up, so each of my bingo winners is gonna get $150 each. Everybody have a look at your orange cards and orange cards only.
We want a winner.
And that is not what we're gonna be looking for.
Chicken dinner. What?
Yeah, you know what? I have all the time in the world, so let's find a block of 9. I know.
What?
It's not a 6-pack, it's a 9-pack, all right? So we're looking for a block of 9 on your orange cards and orange cards only. Again, free space does help you. Anybody getting closer? How many numbers? 3 numbers away. Are they all ands? Okay. I-27. Huh? Okay. What? You realize you have bingo? Oh, no. Oh, she gave you guys a chance. We keep playing. They want to see you bongo though. And 31. Oh, there's like 3 again, Jose. All right. Okay, stop crying. All right, let's verify all those good bingo winners on game number 2. 21076. Oh. That is not a good bingo right here. 21076, Frenchie. First bongo of the game. Okay, we got one more. That is a good bingo, yes. That is.
Those are the only numbers they got?
Okay, anybody else?
Wow.
Guys?
That's crazy.
What?
Maybe that's why they were so shocked.
All right. Are you guys ready to win up to $5,000? Next, so game number 3 will be on the green and purple cards. Once again, green and purple cards are playing together. So let's have a look.
We can do it. I feel it. That raffle ticket, magic. Oh.
And this is going to be a coverall game, guys. That's right. And in order to get your $5,000, you have to do it within 49 numbers or less. I know. Did anybody find one straight line anywhere already? Yay, congratulations! One more to go. I know, right? Zach, you're only putting more pressure on them by walking like that.
No talking during your exam,
Okay,
okay?
I-24 is your last one. Moving on to 064. 064. So we are 39 numbers in. That means we're 10 numbers away from jackpot. Does anybody need less than 10 numbers? Less than 9 numbers? Does anybody need less than 8 numbers? Does anybody need a miracle? All right. And the 49th number of the jackpot game is 068. I hear a lot of excitement, but do we have any bingo calls right now? 068. Double check. All right, confirming. Do we have any bingo calls at this time?
Adio, I gotta go.
Oh, we're still waiting for money. So that means at this time, unfortunately, $5,000 is no longer in play caps. You can move Karen. That is okay. So I'm gonna give you a countdown on the screen. At the end of this countdown, guys, we're gonna make as much noise just like you did last night, celebrating 2022, okay? Because Captain is probably sleeping right now, and we are going to break his Captain nap at this time. So all together, guys, let's help us. All right, okay, in 4, 3, 2, 1, wake him up! Yes, Captain, welcome to 2022. Good job, guys. Was that correct? My phone. G53. What? Oh, wait. Right there. G53 gave you a bingo, junior cruiser. But let me ask you that. Okay, you're going to win a lot of money. What are you going to do with it? We give it to you because you got the cards. Fair enough. Okay, let's see who we have right there and if that's a good bingo.